Guys, on to question 9. Yep. So definitely go check out the playlist. We recorded those videos. And this is November 25, paper 2, TZ3. And so, question 9. Consider triangle ABC with AB equals 15 cm, BC equals 20, and they give us all of that data in this diagram where theta is less than 90, so it's acute. Okay. Now, angle theta is decreasing at a constant rate, so this is a rate of change question, and determine how fast the length of AC is changing when the area of the triangle is 140 cm cubed. So what we have is d theta dt. That is one thing that's given to us, negative pi over 60, right? It's negative because it's decreasing, so that's important. And then we have our area. We need formula for area because that's what they've given us. So area is equal to half r squared theta, or half ab sine theta. And so that's 15 times 20 sine theta, which is 150 sine theta, right? And now we're told that area is 140, so 140 is equal to this. What is theta? Theta is sine inverse of 14 over 15, which is, let's figure that out. Sine inverse of 14 over 15 is about 1.203588306 rads. So keep that stored. This is just for you to compare. And next is the length of AC. Now we need to find the length of AC, that's x. X squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c, right? So we have 15 squared plus b squared, 20 squared, minus 2 times 15 times 20 cos theta, that is theta. And so, and what we now want before plugging in any values is dx dt, right? That's what we're looking for, how fast the length of AC is changing. So dx dt, and we have 2, so 2x dx dt is equal to 15 squared is 225 plus, so plus 400, that's 625. Oh, sorry. First we need to find x, right? First find x by plugging in the values, and then find dx dt. So dx, we can come up with the formula first though. Dx dt, sorry, 2x dx dt is equal to, this just becomes 0. So it is 2 times 15, 30, 30 times 20, 600. So negative 600 cos becomes negative, so it's sine theta, so it's positive 600, right? And then d theta dt. Hopefully you guys know what I just did there. So d cos theta dt is just negative sine, sorry, d cos theta theta is just negative sine theta, right? So that's what we did. And then we must find dx dt at x is equal to, that's what we're trying to find. So let's find that. X is equal to root 625, which we just found out. And then this is 600 minus 600 cos, plug in our angle, 1.203, right? And that gives us, let me do that, root 625 minus 600 cos, answer. And I get 20.23841,416. So definitely check against that. And now x is equal to 20.2, right? And we know theta as well, so theta is equal to 1.20 is equal to 600 divided by 2, that's 300. 300 sine theta. Oh, we just found out 1.203, right? Divided by x we just found out as well, 20.238 times d theta dt, which we just found, which we were given, right up here. So just use that, and all we have to do is plug this in and find our answer. 300 sine 1.203 588,306 divided by answer times pi over 60. And that gives me negative 0.724. And I'll just give you the additional numbers for you to check. And that is to 3SF 0.724, right? And what is that? cm per second, per minute, right? cm per minute, yes. 3SF. And that is our answer. So that's how you do question 9, guys. And we'll move on to question 10 next and section B. In fact, how about we just do that now? Actually, let's separate it. This is 17 marks, so it'll take a bit of time. Hopefully this helped. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Check out the playlist and have a great week. Do like and subscribe.